play with Daddy at home.
Do you know that we have president election this next Tuesday, next week?
No, yesterday Mommy likes to see the beating other presidents to race to get more money and fight bad guy.
I heard Mama said you like Huckabee.
I like Obama.
You do? Oh. No more Huckabee?
I don't know. The second time, Huckabee just lost it.
Oh, wow. You know Huckabee lost, huh? Very good. So you think Obama will win?
John McCain won. John McCain just won the second time.
In Florida?
He just.
I think he won in Florida, right?
He won somewhere else, I think.
Oh, wow. You are very smart, Matthew. You can talk about a lot of stuff. You read very well.
Huckabee just win the first time.
Oh, I see. Very smart.
I just wish that Obama will win the second
The president?
The last time.
He can still win, you know.
I don't like everyone else, not even the girl or our boys. I only like Obama and Huckabee.
Very good choice. So make sure you go to the.
Why did you call?
I just want to talk to you. I miss